Thanks for dropping by again to my channel. Today, I'm going to briefly review a platform called Bitero. Well, here we can see from the website, it's stated here, welcome to the future of investing. Okay, let's browse over the website. You can see here, they got 5 stars from the Trustpilot. And here is the plan. Bitero will provide 2% daily for every workday and 1% daily for every weekend. And the cycle of the investment is 30 days. So that means overall you will receive about 50% for 1 month. So for example, you invest $1,000. At the end of the 30 days, you will receive then $1,500, that is including your capital. Okay, let's go and browse it. Here we can see an introduction video from the CEO. You can watch it if you want to. And the Bitero bundle, this is where they will pool all the user fund together and build a low risk, high reward investment system that are based on diversification. And here is simply the explanation of how it works. Okay, basically what they are doing is, first they pull all the funds from the investor, then they involve themselves in investment activities, and from the profit they will then provide the daily returns to the investor. Okay, over here is the reason why choose us. There are several reasons for that: unlimited investment, future growth, diverse portfolio, high return, daily accrual and analysis first. Well, you can go detail on that if you want to. And where Bitero invests is basically they invest in forex markets, digital exchange, Bitcoin minings and venture capital. Over here, forex market is the largest investment that they put in. That's include 45 to 50% of their portfolio. And digital exchange, which is the exchanger, they have a 22 to 32% portfolio in that. Bitcoin mining, they have 8 to 14% portfolio in that field. And finally, the venture capital, in which they invest in small startup companies that involve in technology, that consists of 12 to 20% of their portfolio. Okay, over here is the profit calculator. This is an important part where we can play around and see what the return of investment looks like. For example, here for 0.01 Bitcoin, okay, and you can play with the compounding level, compounding percentage. In 30 days cycle, you will receive a profit, the total return. So we can see here, the more you compound, the more your return will be. So for example, if for 100% compound, the total return for 0.01 Bitcoin will be 0.0167. Whereas if you not compound at all, that is 0%, your total return will just be 0.052. But of course, there will be a give and take between, invest the whole of your capital for 30 days without taking any profit at all to get the higher return at the end, or you just want to take a daily profit without doing any compounding. It depends on our own choice. And browsing again, this is where they introduce their team, from the CEO, Chief Financial Officer, the Chief Technical Officer and Chief Marketing Officer. They also provide an affiliate carrier where they give 5% for a novice level, and then once you have a bigger team, you will be upgraded to the higher level called Oracle, in which you will receive a 10% commission on that. Okay, you can go detail on that if you want to. And they also provide latest news to members, throughout several media channel. And this is an introduction video again. And basically that's it about the Bitero, a platform that is online around 3 months currently. Okay, once you sign in the registration form, providing all the email, username, password, PIN code, etc., then you will be in the back office. So now we are at my back office. This is the dashboard. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to deposit some Bitcoins into the account. Okay, so as you can see here, the quick stats, currently my active deposit is 0. So I click in the deposit button here to invest. Okay, so I'm gonna send Bitcoin from external wallet. Okay, transfer from personal Bitcoin wallet. Okay, so the deposit amount here is stated, the minimum deposit amount is 0.005 Bitcoin. So I'm going to deposit 0.04 Bitcoin. Okay. Okay. So once I click the deposit button, stated here the new deposit. There's a time left 59 minutes. Please create and execute a payment with the details shown below. Users with mobile apps can automatically fill out the payment details by scanning the presented QR code. What I'm going to do is I'm going to copy the address here. Okay. $3D5 UFZ, copy. Okay, 3D5 UFZ, 3D5 EUFZ. Okay, the address is correct, and I continue. Okay, so the amount of Bitcoin, we're gonna just copy the amount here, copy, and paste it here. Bitcoin, continue. Okay, so checking 3D5 UFG, total 0.04. I continue. Okay, transaction sent. I view the details here. 0.04 already sent to the address. Your payment has been received. Deposit will be activated after the transaction has at least one confirmation. So this is a transaction ID. Okay, new deposit has been made to the account, and I return to dashboard. Looking at my dashboard, over here we can see under the deposit control the deposit ID that I made. Okay, here the next payment will be within 23 hours 55 minutes because they are going to give a daily profit, daily payment. So the payment is still 0 out of 30. It stands for 30 days. So over here we can see the setting. Currently I haven't clicked the auto reinvest button, and also the interest compounding I set it at 0% currently. Here also we can see the allocation of Bitero in the market. In the forex market, the highest, venture capital, digital exchange, and Bitcoin mining. An overview of my deposit. Initial deposit is 0.04. Active deposit also is going to be the same. Still zero earning. And today is the date created, that is 10 December. And this will expire on 9 January 2021. That is 30 days from today. Okay, so there is still no received payment. Okay, that's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to follow me, subscribe to see the result.